Dholuo for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 2. Noun class ni. Agulu, pot. Agulu, pot. Agulni, pots. Agulni, pots. Sulwe, star. Sulwe, star. Sulni, stars. Sulni, stars. Adola, wound. Adola, wound. Adolni, wounds. Adolni, wounds. Obolo, mushroom. Obolo, mushroom. Obolni, mushrooms. Obolni, mushrooms. Tiga, giraffe. Tiga, giraffe. Tigni, giraffes. Tigni, giraffes. Higa, age. Higa, age. Higni, ages. Higni, ages. Pala, knife. Pala, knife. Pelni, knives. Pelni, knives. Oganda, community. Oganda, community. Ogendni, communities. Ogendni, communities. Adundo, hat. Adundo, hat. Adundni, hat. Adundni, hat. Kwesi, smoking pipe. Kwesi, smoking pipe. Kwesni, smoking pipes. Kwesni, smoking pipes. Tipo, shadow. Tipo, shadow. Tipni, shadows. Tipni, shadows. Awendo, guinea fowl. Awendo, guinea fowl. Awendni, guinea fowls. Awendni, guinea fowls. Kanyna, horse. Kanyna, horse. Kenyni, horses. Kenyni, horses.